Most big decisions revolve around three things: work, money, and people. Do I start a new business? Do we invest in this new technology? Should I switch careers? Knowing what I know, should I keep this person as a friend? My guess is you've had to make decisions centered around one or two of these things. With some decisions, there's no turning back. Each of these types of decisions can change the trajectory of your life. Jim Rohn, one of the fathers of the personal development industry, said, "You cannot make progress without making decisions." If you want to progress, you need to make decisions. The thing about thinking through big decisions is they can tear you apart, give you sleepless nights, and make you feel like you're a deer in the headlights until they're made. Once they're made, you may still feel nervous, but you have taken the first step to releasing yourself to make progress. The weight is starting to come off. While it's not easy, here's three things you can do to put yourself in the right frame of mind and move forward. 1. On paper, define your values, your goals, and your why. Make sure your decision that you're about to make is in alignment with your core being. 2. Chart your path forward. Write everything that can go right, go wrong, and all your contingency plans. 3. Don't look back or second guess yourself. You'll be wasting precious energy that you'll need to fulfill your plan. So, here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Got a big decision or two weighing you down? You now have a framework to guide you through it. Try it out. Nothing in life is guaranteed. We make the best decision with the information we have at that time. And that's all you can ask of yourself. May the odds of your decision be forever in your favor. Please share this if you think others would benefit from a helping hand in making big decisions in their life. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. With just a couple of clicks, you could be helping thousands of people. Thanks again.